Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to stop seeing suggested contacts when sharing photos. Firstly, open the Settings app on your iPhone device. When prompt, tap Siri and search, then scroll down to the section called Suggestions from Apple. Find Show when sharing and toggle Show when sharing to on to enable suggested contacts in the share sheet, and toggle it off to disable suggested contacts and remove that row from the share sheet. When enabled, your iPhone will suggest recent and frequent contacts when sharing content. When disabled, those suggestions won't show up in the share options. Simply toggle it back on anytime to see the suggestions again. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.